Stella, what does a cat say?
Mama.
What does a doggy say?
Daddy.
What does a doggy say? That's right. What does a cow say? Moo. That's right. What does a monkey say? That's right. What does a bird say? What does a froggy say? Ribbit. Ribbit. What what does Stella say? Lella? Stella? What does a monkey say again? That's right. What does elephant say? What does a doggy say?
Daddy.
What do they say? That's right. Thank you, Stella. Say thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.